Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your slow food restaurant business. So if you run a slow food restaurant, then managing all the bookings and updating customers about today's menu highlights can be very time consuming and overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will update customers on today's menu highlights and also manage bookings all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for slow food restaurant. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. And to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with welcome to Terra Taste, your local slow food spot. We are all about seasonal flavors and mindful dining. How can we serve you today? And it has provided us with 3 options: book a table, view today's menu, and dish highlights. So I'm going to choose the first one that says book a table. And it responds us with let's reserve your table. Please share the following: date and time, number of guests, indoor-outdoor preference. We will confirm your reservation shortly. So here I'm going to send my details. So these are my details and I'm going to send it. And our chatbot responds us with your table has been reserved as date 18th May, time 7:30 p.m, guests 4, seating outdoor. We look forward to hosting you. Then I'm going to choose the second option that says view today's menu. And it responds us with today's fresh menu: walnut salad rupees 350, handmade gnocchi rupees 590, baked pear tart rupees 320. And here it has provided us with full menu link in a PDF format. And lastly, it asks us anything else I can help with. So I'm going to choose this third option now that says dish highlights. And the chatbot responds us with seasonal specials just in. Wild mushroom risotto, limited availability, farmhouse cheese platter, anything else I can help with. So I'm going to choose contact us. And it responds us with you can contact us anytime on this given number or on this given email address. And this is how our slow food restaurant chatbot works. Now if you want to learn how to create this chatbot, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp Chatbot for Slow Food Restaurant. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box under which there is an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, there is also an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which will make the chatbot activated on any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. Now this regex will safely trigger on every keyword. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here you can see there is an option to choose template and when you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message and for that I'm going to access this text button here. And here I'm going to add a welcome message. Our message will look like this. Welcome to Terra Taste, your local slow food spot. And I have added these little star signs because it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and more professional. Next, I have added, we are all about seasonal flavors and mindful dining. How can we serve you today? So here, with the help of this add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options for the user. So here I'm going to add an option to book a table. Next, I'm going to add an option to view today's menu. And lastly, I'm going to add our special seasonal dishes highlights. Once we are done curating our first message, we will start generating response for each of the quick reply options. So let's begin with book a table. And for that, I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on this ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here and here I'm going to take details from the user to book a table. So here I'm going to add, let's reserve your table. Please share the following: date and time, number of guests, indoor-outdoor preferences. We will confirm your reservation shortly. And here you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. And if you want to select contact custom field, you need to create one first. And for that, you need to save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you have to go to the settings and then choose this third option that says contact custom field. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field and here you can add field name and enter description of the field and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you are done creating your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add and as format I'm going to select any and then I'm going to link this question box to the corresponding quick reply option. Next I'm going to add confirmation message and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Your table has been reserved as $add. Add was our contact custom field and we have added $, next to it because it will get replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Next I have added, we look forward to hosting you. So we are done with our first response and we can move on to the next. So let's create a response for view today's menu. So here I'm going to access the text button and here I'm going to add our menu details. Our message will look like this. Today's fresh menu, walnut salad rupees 350, handmade gnocchi rupees 590, baked pear tart rupees 320. And we have given them full menu in a PDF format and we have provided link for it. And lastly, I have asked anything else I can help with. So here I'm going to add an option from which they can contact us. So here I'm going to add contact us. And if the user wants to contact us, then here I'm going to provide with our contact details like this. You can contact us anytime on this given number or on this given email address. Once we are done curating our second response, we can move on to the last one that says seasonal dish highlights. So here again, I'm going to access the text button and here I'm going to add our seasonal dish highlights. Like this, seasonal specials just in, wild mushroom risotto, limited availability, farmhouse cheese platter. Anything else I can help with? And again I'm going to add here an option from which the user can contact us. So here I've added option to contact us and then I'm going to link it with the same message where I have shared our contact details. And this is how I have created WhatsApp chatbot for slow food restaurant business. We have created this flow with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features easily. If you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I have shown in this video. And once you're done, you can save your flow from here. And once your flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.